Hello students, the topic of this session is some more list of controls which are present in the toolbox in the Visual Studio application. First one is month calendar control, second one is link label control, third one is list box control, fourth one is combo box control. So we will look into these types of controls one by one. Month calendar control presents an intuitive graphical interface for users to view and set date information. You can select a different month by clicking the arrow buttons on either side of the month caption. This is how it looks like when you run it on the form. Next is link label control, which is a label control that can display a hyperlink. You have learned about hyperlinking one web page to another web page in HTML sessions, I hope. You might have created links also with the help of ahref tag in HTML. Here, similar to that, you have a link label control. When you click on the label, it links you to some website. It does not participate in user input or capture mouse or keyboard events. It just takes you to some page, some web page. ಲೇಬಲ್ಗೆನೆ ಹೈಪರ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is how it looks like. Link label control ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the code for creating link label control. Just declare a variable link with new operator and a method name. Link is nothing but a variable or an object here. I have assigned some memory space with the help of new operator for this link object, link label dot link. Link data ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ for link label. By making use of that property, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಪಾತ್ನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next, the link label 1, whatever you have put on the screen, in the form design screen, for that links.add the ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಸಮ್ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್. When you run this program, you will get this form as the output with link label on it. When you move cursor on this, it will show a hyperlink symbol. Like this, which is a hand symbol. The program is in running condition now. See, I have provided link to Yahoo web page. Now I have provided with the internet connection. I'm going to click on the link label and it is taking me to Yahoo website. See it. This is the web page. I reached this web page through the link label button. Next object is list box control. It is used to display list of items in Windows form. It allows the user to select one or more items from the list box. You can add more number of items to the list box. The list box looks like this, and in the toolbox you have an option called list box. Just drag it and place it on the Windows form. Here this is an example code for list box control. Declare the list box object as box, and for that object box these are all the properties of list box like location, size, for color. Properties ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು assign ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು through coding, or else you can set it in properties windows also. Items dot add ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is the important method. ಇಲ್ಲಿ item name ಅಥವಾ color name ನಾನು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First declare the object and assign it with the method add. Object name dot items dot add. When you run this program, you are going to get this as the output. This is called as the list box. Next we have combo box control. It is used to display a drop-down list of various items. It is a combination of a text box in which user enters an item and a drop-down list from which user selects an item. You might have seen this kind of web element while browsing through web pages. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 to 30 or 31 ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾನ್ವರಿ ಟು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಮಂತ್ದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1900, 1920s, 30s ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಏನು ವೆಬ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಂಬೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. You can look at the coding in Visual Studio for combo box. Combo box 1 ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ items dot add method, and the main method for combo box is selected index. Since we are going to select some month, date and birth year in some index position, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. For this program I have declared combo box 1 dot items dot add to keep on adding like a list box, I need this method items.add. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ ಬಟನ್ 2 I have written this code, for button 3 I have written this code. If you run this program, you are going to get this screen as the output. This is the combo box, which is the first element. As you can observe on the screen, this is the output window. The first character is D. Later on, D is followed by E, F and G. Then again D, E, F, G. A set of D, E, F, G will be followed with the first set, and again if I run third time, again a set of this string D, E, F, G will be followed. If I click on the button 1, if I click on the button 2, if I click on the button 2, this is the output. If I select D, This message box is providing you with the index position of the characters. If I select D, since D is the first character that is stored at 0th position, we will be presented with this 0 index. If I select E, I will get 1 as the index position. This is for button 3.